Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to create fun, engaging, and monetizable kids' animation videos on YouTube using AI tools. You don't need technical skills, and you can stay completely off camera. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the knowledge you need to create these videos in minutes and start earning up to $5,900 a month, just like other channels in this niche. Let's dive in. This slide provides an overview of the key steps involved in creating kids' animation videos. Each of these steps requires specific skills and tools, but following this step-by-step approach can help ensure a successful kids' animation project. First, generating lyrics for the song. Use ChatGPT to create lyrics. Prompt: write me a children's educational song about happy grandma, a spy, a businessman, a businesswoman, a wizard, and a safari guide. Make it short and easy to memorize. ChatGPT will generate lyrics with multiple verses and a chorus. Customize the themes as needed for your audience. After, creating the music. Using Suno AI to generate music. Log into Suno AI and select Create. Copy and paste the song's chorus from ChatGPT into Suno. Suno will generate multiple musical renditions. Play them to select your favorite. Extend the song, adding additional verses from your ChatGPT lyrics to create a full-length track. Customize the music style, such as playful, motivational, or pop, to match your video theme. Downloading the tracks. Save the generated songs to your device for use in the animation. Then, creating the animation. Using Create Studio Pro for animation. Downloading and installing. Create Studio Pro, a one-time payment software. Set up backgrounds. Selecting and downloading kids-friendly backgrounds like playgrounds, bedrooms, or magical forests. Dragging and dropping the backgrounds onto the timeline in the software. Adding characters. Browse. Create Studio Pro's library for 3D or cartoon characters like Grandma, the Spy, and Safari Guide. Downloading and placing them on the timeline. Customize character actions. Click on a character and choose preset animations like waving, dancing, or talking on the phone. Use different animations to bring each character to life. Sync animation with music. Import the Suno-generated music tracks. Adjust the timeline to sync character movements with the song's rhythm. Finally, completing and exporting the video. Preview and edit. Watch the video to ensure smooth transitions between scenes. Make any necessary adjustments to character actions or background changes. Export the video. Choose MP4 format and standard quality, suitable for YouTube. Save the project and export the video to your device. YouTube ad revenue. Enable monetization through the YouTube Partner Program once your channel meets the requirements. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Affiliate marketing. Promote kid-friendly educational products in your video descriptions. For example, use platforms like ClickBank to find high-commission items. Licensing and commercial use. Create and sell customized animated videos for other creators or businesses using Create Studio Pro's commercial license. Thumbnails and titles. Use Canva or ChatGPT to design vibrant, eye-catching thumbnails. Example title: Meet Grandma and Friends, a fun song about our happy town. SEO optimization. Use tools like rapidtags.io to find high-ranking tags for your video. Write detailed descriptions with keywords and upload the video file using the exact title for better search rankings. Content iteration. Analyze video performance in YouTube Analytics and iterate based on audience engagement metrics. Kids' animation videos are highly engaging and evergreen, appealing to a global audience. Channels in this niche consistently perform well, generating significant monthly income. AI tools like ChatGPT, Suno, and Create Studio Pro make it easier than ever to enter this space and create professional quality content in minutes.